Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a pair of women's capris. I actually already cut my material out just a few minutes ago. Thought I'd save some time by going ahead and getting it cut out. What I did, I didn't use the pattern. I laid my material out on my cutting mat, and then I took a pair of my capris with the elastic waist and folded them in half and smoothed them out and laid them on there. Doubled my material, that way when I would cut it I would have 4 pieces of material. As you can see, I have the material here, and I left plenty of room around to take them up around the sides and stuff, and that way I can adjust the size to whatever size I wanted. So I'm going to start by turning my material the right side together. Then I'm going to sew down the back of the behind, sew that part, get it lined up here. As you can see how I got it, I'm going to stitch down here, then I'm going to do the other piece of material the same way. Give you a look at it in just a second. As you can see, I have this side sewed together. Now I'm going to take the other piece of material and turn it and sew it the same way. Always make sure you back stitch. As you can see, I got 2 pieces of material. Now I'm going to open them up, put them right side together. I'm going to stitch down in between the legs on both sides. Okay, as you can see, I got that stitched up. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew down both sides of the capris. Once you actually have your material cut, it only takes approximately less than 10 minutes to sew it together. And then just put the elastic in. I already actually have the elastic also cut. I'm going to turn them right side out and give you a look at them. Really simple, quick and easy way to make them. And there you have them, a pair of capris. I'm going to be putting a small hem, probably an inch hem on the bottom and around the waist, so around the waist. And I already have my elastic here. I don't like the really thick elastic, so I didn't get real thick elastic, but I got the needle threaded through it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that up. But it's a really nice color, and they turned out really nice, as you can see. But if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, take care.